Mediterranean chopped salad with a roasted red pepper dressing. I'm Kathleen Ashmore of Kat Can Cook on TikTok. I am a chef, recipe developer, and mom of two. My most popular series on TikTok and Instagram is called Hungry Ladies Salad. So today we are making one of my most popular salad recipes by far. It's a Mediterranean chopped salad with a roasted red pepper dressing. Let me show you how I make it. For this chopped salad, we're using two different salad greens. We're gonna start with 2 hearts of romaine. That will be the more tender lettuce. And then 2 cups of diced green cabbage. Something hearty like this is great for meal prep because it stands up really well to the dressing. Then we've got 1 diced red onion, 2 cups of halved cherry tomatoes, 1 cup of sliced olives. I'm using green, you could also use Kalamata. 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas rinsed. Last but definitely not least, 1 8-ounce ball of fresh mozzarella diced. A little trick is to put it into the freezer for a minute or 2. It'll make for clean cuts. Okay, so now is where it gets really fun. We're gonna do a roasted red pepper dressing. This is the really unique part about this salad. So roasted red peppers, we're familiar with them, easy to find, affordable, but they're magic when you use them as the base of a salad dressing. They have this sort of tangy, inherent sweetness that is just so good in a vinaigrette. So we're gonna take 2 of those, add it to a blender. Next, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. This is not the time for the really aged stuff, just anything will do. And then we're gonna add in 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna do 2 smashed garlic cloves. Nice and easy, we just smash them and take the peel right off. No need to chop it, it's all gonna get blitzed into the blender. And then to play off that tangy sweetness of the roasted red peppers, we're gonna use just a teaspoon of honey. About a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a few pinches of cracked black pepper. And now we're gonna blend. How easy was that? Okay, now we pour on this gorgeous roasted red pepper dressing. Look at that color. Now we're just gonna mix it all up and make sure all of the salad is coated evenly. It is so good. Thanks for having me. Enjoy.